Hi everyone, join me today while I make my crochet no-sew vegan kimono. Stay tuned. Hello, I'm Karen Viloria-Miguel, owner and founder of Canada Bliss handmade crochet hats and accessories worn by friends, celebrities, and clients from around the world. Today, I wanted to do something special and show you how I make my crochet kimonos by hand. It's just a little behind the scenes on how I make my popular upcycled vegan kimono that's completely done without sewing. As you know, I'm a crochet gal, so I like to put things together with crochet. And this video, I have to say, was a lot of work and I didn't think I'd be able to get it out on time this week, but I wanted to show you in less than 10 minutes what it takes for me to crochet in about 4 to 5 hours. If this is the first time you're watching, then please remember to hit subscribe and like, comment, and let me know what you think. So let's get making. First, I start with 2 evenly cut pieces of fabric. The yarn I'm using today is bamboo, linen, and cotton blend, but I often make this with baby alpaca. And of course, I'm sure to have scissors, measuring tools, grommet, crochet hook, and hammer with me. I make sure the fabric is ironed using a low setting with steam, but I'm careful not to melt the fabric since it's not a natural fiber. Then I mark the left and right side of the garments to make sure that each stitch is evenly spaced and matches when placed together, kind of like a human sewing machine. Then I prepare the edges with blanket stitches. Doing more than 1 row of preparation stitches before the decorative stitches. Then comes the decorative crochet. Now we repeat the edging on the other side of the fabric where the arms will be built up. I use my handy stitch markers to make sure that I measure and mark where the arms are going to be. And then I crochet the seams, being sure not to close the armhole. Then clickety-click, one side is done. To make the sleeve, I crochet up from the armhole all the way to the edge of the cuff. Of course, we put decorative stitches on the edge of the cuff as well. And there you have it, one side. Time for the other side. Now we repeat the process. And then comes the decorative stitches on the other panel. Where we also use advanced joining techniques with the decorative stitches to seam up the back. Then crochet down all the way through the front. This is my favorite part. Then we build up the other arm. And then we prepare the grommets to cinch the empire waist. And add trim. Voila! The finished kimono. Woo! Was that fun or what? Now there's nothing more satisfying than a finished product. I just love making beautiful things. If you enjoyed this, comment below, like, subscribe, tap the bell, and if you loved the kimono that you saw, you can purchase the kimono with the link below. And if you'd like to see more Canada Bliss accessories and my lookbook, my company site is in the description. As well, I've provided some links for the tools that I use, like the yarn bowl, the ergonomic handle. I mean, this is not a sponsored post or anything, but I mean, if you're looking for those accessories, then at least if you use the link below, it'll allow me to bring more content to you like this at no additional cost to you. So that's it for this week, and until next time, my friends, I hope you have a wonderful week. I'll see you next time.